Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Sheets EV Charging Calculator template step by step clearly. To download the Google Sheets EV Charging Calculator template, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in Google Sheets Template Gallery and hit enter. Look for the option that says Google Sheets Template Gallery in the search results. Click on the link to enter the template gallery. Once you're in the template gallery, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type EV Charging Calculator into the search bar and press enter. Browse the results to find the template specifically designed for EV charging calculations. Click on the template to open it. You will be directed to a preview of the template. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Use Template button. This action will prompt Google Sheets to create a copy of the template in your Google Drive. Once the template is open in a new Google Sheets tab, you can begin editing. If you want to save it to a specific folder in your drive, click on File in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Move. Choose the folder where you would like to save the template. Click on Move again to confirm your selection. Now you have successfully downloaded and saved the EV Charging Calculator template to your Google Sheets. Feel free to customize it as needed for your specific charging requirements. You're all set to start using your new EV Charging Calculator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.